back in the car once again with Nana as well today, or tonight. And today we are going to our local light switch on and fireworks. We've been to this before. There's also, I think, a couple of rides, not major rides, because it's only in like a really little town village, isn't it? But yeah, I've got some soup with me tonight for a change. And Ralph's in the back as well, but we're taking him somewhere else anyway, so yeah. Right then, so we're walking on the streets now. Sounds a bit dodgy. And going literally right, you can see it in front of me, right down there to the light switch on and the fireworks as well. We're going to do the fireworks first and the light switch on, obviously, because we've literally got 10 minutes to that, so yeah. Got a little something, got a lot of stands here, a little car ride and a little train ride just for kids, and a Miami up there, pretty strange, and trampolines over there, and a mini paratrooper. So we're down here at our spot now, and it just started snowing. I'm pretty sure it's not real snow because it's quite warm to snow, isn't it? And it's a bit early for snow as well, as you can see. It barely just coming down there. It did just throw it down, so I'm pretty sure it was a snow machine. But yeah, this is our spot. We can see all over people, we're on a curb. And yeah, and they've got even a little stall here right in the way for some reason. Here's another look at the little snow on the floor there. It looks really real, that does. And there's a fun house over there as well. Was not expecting that. Although I did say I thought I'd remembered a fun house because we have been here before, so. Right, so it's due to start right at this second, right now, so whenever you're ready we'll just see fireworks presumably go off on top of them buildings right there. That's why they went off the other year, isn't it, Nana? Can't believe how busy it is, literally so many people just walking past. There we go, it's starting. Can't see anything. Yeah. Jesus Christ. They ain't organised this very well, have they? I hate the ones which go up and don't do anything. They're so boring. Like that one, look. That's what we're looking for.
Light travels faster than sound. Light travels faster than sound.
Yeah, I do as well. I like the ones which like fizz. Do you know what I mean? Like colour the sky. It's amazing how it's for free as well. Like they don't ask you to pay to go in. It's good that. It's amazing how it's free to come in as well and watch it. Oh, I like them. You're waiting for the squealers. They're just so low down though.
on.
That's what I'm looking for. And that. Oh, look at that one. That's better. I think that might be it. Oh no. Nice. That's better. I think that might be it now. Is it? I think so. There we go, everyone's clapping. And I bet one more will go off. Some horses here as well. The event spreads all the way down here. I won't say the name of any streets or anything. Literally everyone who lives around here must put some sort of tree out on top of their shop, look like the co-op funeral service there. Got live music there over next to the village hall as well. Here you got your food area, just some little bits. Project E Donuts over there, but they ran out. Nana's obsessed with Project E Donuts, so yeah, we'll see if we can get some one day. Here's a little outer view of the event, and your little bits there. Nana's got Project E Donuts, and I've got marshmallows and strawberries and chocolate. For this next clip, I'm really sorry about Nana's recording issues. She ended up zooming into me. She did it by accident. My phone could have been a lot more zoomed out. You know what Nana's like, we're recording on this channel. Anyway, where was we? POV or something? That was it, the Miami. watching that mini vlog. It wasn't really long at all, to be fair. Vlogmas Day 4. Yeah, it was really good, that event. Our local light switch on and fireworks. There was plenty to eat there as well. I had a, was it a wrap? Chicken kebab, and that was really nice. Nana got some Project D donuts. A little video will be coming from that tonight as well. I'll be doing a little review of it. And I also had a little cup of strawberries and marshmallows with chocolate on it, and I'm full from that. There's only a little plastic cup like that. But yeah, it was really good. I'm really impressed with how the event expanded, because we went a few years ago and it wasn't that great in my opinion. They didn't have much there, whereas this year they had the Miami there. Sorry if it's gone dark. They had the Miami there. They had quite a few more little rides this year, weren't there? And some more stalls. But yeah, and it was a bit more arranged different this year. But yeah, that was really good. Was you impressed with it, Nana?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm really sorry. It's a bit shaky. I'm holding it with my phone because my selfie stick's broken. But yeah, but no one will be coming soon. But yeah, I found it really good. What's coming up soon? Hyde Park Winter Wonderland soon coming up on the channel. Quite a few little wintry bits as well. Plenty coming up. I know obviously we've been quite busy on the channel, haven't we, lately? But yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out when we upload another video just like this one. Long sentence. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.